Take half lemon juice. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then add 1 tablespoon Colgate toothpaste. Then add 1 tablespoon baking soda. Then add 1 tablespoon rice flour. Then add 1 pinch of turmeric powder. Then add half more lemon juice. Mix it well. Apply this mixture on your dark meat area. Rub it on a circular motion for 5 minutes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Leave it 20 minutes and then wash with normal water. Use it 3 or 4 times in a week for best results.